Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how map value function works in Scala. So why we generally use map value function? If there is a requirement to get all the values from a map, then with the help of a map underscore values function, we can able to fetch all the values from the map. So in this exercise, what I am just doing, I am just importing all the required library, creating one variable which is holding 3 row object. Each row object has one map type element. Here we are creating a custom data type which is of map type, and the keys and values are of string type. Here I am just creating one custom schema with the help of a struct type and creating two columns. One is AP full name which is of string type, and AP mark which is of this custom data type which I have created here. With the help of a parallelize function, by passing the variable which is holding the data, I am creating this RDD object. Once the RDD object is created with the help of a create data frame, by passing this RDD object and custom schema, I have created this data frame. Once the data frame has been created, then we are selecting AP full name and we are creating one more column with the help of a AP underscore values. And from where we are getting values, we are getting values from AP underscore marks, which is of map type column. Once this data frame gets created, I am just displaying the data frame with the help of a display function. I have also captured the output. This map value will have all the values which is present in the map. Here is the 9890. This is the value which I am just talking about. 98, 90, here 99, here 98, here is 100, here is 100. The same thing it is getting populated here. So let's see how it works in Databricks. In my previous exercise, what I have done, I have just created this data frame. Till here, I will going to copy the code from my previous exercise to save time, and I will show you how it works, how map underscore value function works in Databricks. Let's go to the PPT. Let's create a notebook. Name it as map underscore values. Connect with the running cluster. Let's copy the code till the creation of data frame. This code will get all the required libraries. Here I am creating a variable which is holding data. Here I am creating a custom data type which is of map type. Here I am creating a custom schema. Here I am creating RDD object. Here I am creating custom. Here I am creating the data frame. So let's run code one by one. All the required libraries are available in this notebook. This variable has been defined successfully, which has the data. This custom data type has been created successfully. This custom schema has been defined successfully. Here RDD object has been created. This data frame has been created. Let's see the content. This is the content. Let's see the data schema. We can see AP marks is of map type. key of string type and value is of string type. So we are going to fetch all the values from the map with the help of a map underscore values function. So how I'm going to do it? Let's create a data frame ap underscore. Let's select it. What I'm selecting? AP full name, AP marks, and with the help of a map value, I'm also going to create a new column. And how this column will going to populate? It will fetch all the values from this map AP underscore map column. Let's run it. This data frame has been created successfully. Let's display the content. We can see here AP, this data new column has been created and it has all the values. So here in AP marks is a map type column. 98 and 90 is the value. That's why it's fetching all the values and populating in this map type map underscore values column. So here we have seen how map value function works, how we can fetch all the values from a map type column. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.